Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video on feeding the bird. This is Shy. Hi Shy. You see her looking? So right here, I'm just going to be getting her little food bowl out. See, it's dirty, so I'm going to be cleaning it. You're just going to do it like with some warm water. And that'll break up all her debris. I'm just going to let it sit for a minute. Okay, so as you can see, it's all clean now. So what I'm going to take is these little bird biscuits. We keep them in the freezer. So I'm just going to get like 2 of these. They look like little biscuits. And just put them in there. And then this is just mixed vegetables that we eat. And you just take like a handful of those and put it in with it. And then you're going to put some water so they could thaw a little bit. And then the biscuits explode. And you let that sit. So while that's sitting, let's go see what Shy's doing. She know when it's time to eat. Because she was just sitting in the area that the bowl goes into. Okay, well it's sat long enough and you see how big the biscuits blew up from being frozen. So I'm just going to pour the water out. Okay, so now I'm just going to come back over here and place the bowl back in her cage. She's probably going to wait till I leave to go eat. You going? She's on her way now. It don't take long.